Hello everyone, welcome back again, and today I bring you another kit, another review, and this is from Blitz by Takom. Okay, it's a Takom kit and it's designed by T-Rex Studio in China. So this is the Jagdtiger, the SD KFZ 186. So you can build this in early or late production, so it's a 2-on-1 kit. This awesome art box, it's made by Jason, and normally they are really good on this. So some things they said, it's all edges can be built or open or closed position. The tracks assemble it's headed with the use of the jig. Detailed static display plastic model. Okay, this and we got here PA parts included on this kit. So normally this kit's a little more expensive, but we got all the things you need for this. So let's open this box and let's start showing. The jig I am talking, it's this one. Okay, you can build the tracks around this. You put here the wheels and then the tracks, or you can see it's the put. So there are two parts, and with this you can build the tracks and paint the sides with no problem. Okay, we got here on this little bag, we got here the lower hole and of course the upper hole. They are really awesome, the details on these guys, really awesome. And believe it, the kits from Takom, they are really easy to build and they have no too much problems. The only thing I said on these kits, it's the plastic. It's very breakable. If you are going to remove like this shovel here, you have to be very careful because they are very thin and they are very easy to break. But the quality of the plastic is nice, and it's very easy to glue these ones. Okay, with any kind of glue, the Rebel glue, Tamiya's. Okay, it's really easy. Big pain, it's these little things, but some guys don't put these on the kits because they are a little difficult to cut and then to glue it. But these things bring life to your kit. Believe it, it gives a very life on these ones. We got here the front of the can on the barrel and the F texture, so it's really good. This texture it brings on the kit. The back edge here, the gun barrel. Oh guys, you do it again. So on two parts, sometimes it's a little difficult when you glue it. Okay, we got here some holes and some pins to insert this, but okay, sometimes for using a file on this, it's not the best thing. For this one, let me see, I got here, I use a scraper like this. This is from Citadel, and then I scrape. It helps a lot. They have scrapers of many brands, but I have this one from Citadel and I like it to use it. We got here more side skirts right here. We got here some 12 cables, and yeah, they have a nice texture on this one. Oh, the machine gun, it's really awesome. Let me try if you guys can see it. Really awesome. We got here the wheels, suspensions, and the caps for the wheels. And the wheels are really awesome. Have loads of details. Now we got here the tracks. The tracks we got, let me see. Okay, some parts built. I am seeing if they have any swag. Okay, don't have any swag. And of course, these ones you put two links together and then you put one of these in the middle. So yes, gives you work, but the tracks are really good and very high detail. You have the holes like a real life, so it's a nice thing. We got here photo etch parts for the grills. We got here a cable it's a metal cable too. We got here the decals. The decals from Takom, I really like it. They are they are really good. Okay, and we got here, so see on Takom, it's very important to see if you have any things like this. So this is a correction. You got here must cut one of these parts there. Sorry about the lights, guys. Now we got here the instructions. One of the things on Takom kits and lots of brands, you need to read the manual from the start to beginnings. Sometimes they are not really easy to learn this, because some steps you need to put before, and so it's more careful. Alright, like almost anything, we start building the lower hull. As you can see, some parts of the suspensions. Here we got this part for the tracks. You can see we got here the jig, and let me see if they say how much. Right, they don't say, but you can see here key 1, key 3, key 4, okay, to make the curves there. Normally sometimes on these kits you must put a link, one more link, or sometimes you just to remove one, okay, but in each side it must be the same thing, okay, so be careful with that. So just see these instructions, and normally it's right. So as you can see, you construct all on the top, and then you got this one put there, and then you remove the jig, and the jig removes the wheels and all the things, and you can paint apart with no problems. They start here on the 9 and the 9 step, the back of the tank, the back plate, and as you can see we got here the 9.1 and the 9.2, it's the earlier or the late, and they say the plate what you are going to use for that. So when you choose, see that part when you got this exclamation point, and just make a ball around that, and in all of the manual to see to put this nice. Okay, here are more parts, putting the plates back, these ones too, and then we start making the upper hole, all this, the tools, if you like to put the tools, or you can paint aside. See these parts, it's to remove with a X knife, to open the holes. Alright, and we got loads of works on the top, sorry, up on the top of the hole. Yeah, they are little pieces, but they show they are really nice. So working, then some parts interior, like to put the machine gun. Normally the machine gun, it's see how it's glue, because you have movement. Okay, right, there are some parts you don't glue. Got the periscopes, don't forget the periscope, it's very important. We got here more parts, the back edges, and where to put the machine gun. Okay, this machine gets, it's really nice. When you see this kind of art breaking apart, it's normally the photo etch parts, they put like TP. So you see the construction of the gun, you can see it's going to be supported on the lower hole, and you put you inside this one. These side skirts, for the models I do before of these, on Takom, they are really easy to cut if you want to remove some of these ones. before you glue it, just remove. And if you are going with a little heat, like a candle, or you can do heat there and bend, and I believe it's going to be easy. It's not difficult because this plastic, it's very very easy to work. And we got here for the early and for the late these parts. So we got here now the weight you can do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways. And of course we got here all colors we are going to need. This one is from Mick Jimenez, and we got here some nice things too they put on this kit. It's a reference for the weathering. Okay, oh, it's really nice. We got here general washes. You put a dark wash, the filter, streaking, streak washes, rusts, dust, mud splashes, grease, oil. So it's really nice, and we have where to put it. Nice work, guys. So yeah, this one it don't have any zimmerit, and there another with the zimmerit. So let's put this away. Put it again on the box. Here, like this, okay. And we got these gloves. So Jagdtiger, 2-in-1, you can do the early or late production with this kit designed by T-Rex. So T-Rex are doing an awesome job, and with the little instructions of the weathering, it helps a lot too if you are going to use Mick Jimenez paints and weathering products. So I don't build any one of these this specific model, okay, but what I see, what I learned from Takom models, I think this is a nice kit. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, just ask me. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to receive all my news on my channel. Bye guys, and I'm sorry about my dog today, it's barfing a lot. Bye guys.